Alrighty, it is exhaust day, finally, for the TJ. So the plan is, we're just gonna go get this done right now. I got pipes, I got the muffler I'm going with. It's a Flowmaster Series 40 with the 2.5 inlet. Before we go, with a stock exhaust still, I wanted to go ahead and get some exhaust clips because I have some pretty nice microphones and things. And I can't do a cold start because my shop where I'm grabbing the parts and I had this camera equipment, it's not where I live, so I had to drive over here, so the engine's already warmed up, and I'm sure as hell not sitting around waiting for it to cool off. Alright, I'm going to try and do a little bit of interior actual driving. The sound clips you were just listening to, the camera obviously was inside, but the microphone, I had it back on the rear bumper. Some downshifting. It's real quiet in here. I got a cheap top on this from when I bought it, and that's much noisier than the exhaust is. The lack of insulation between me and like the transmission tunnel, I can hear the gears of the transmission significantly more than I can the exhaust, but just for the sake of having it, I will do some recording. Can't go too fast, otherwise the gimbal will fall. $4,000, approaching red line. Alright, well that wasn't too bad. I ended up just staying at the shop and letting them do it. It sucked that their waiting room did not have AC. Better than an Uber. 2 Ubers. But it's in and it is nice. It's definitely louder. I can hear the exhaust is now audible at all times during driving. And it's quality. It's not like droney. Like there's a drone going on, but I wouldn't think of it as a pestering drone. Like you wouldn't want an exhaust. You just hear the exhaust. It's still a deep tone. It's not metallic-y. It's not rattly. It's not like pinching your ears type of drone. We'll do some driving now. A lot of burbles on the D-cell from higher RPM. That's very nice. My friend's in front of me. He's eyeballing me through his mirror. I can see his ass. Good shift. $4,000, $4,500. Alright, let's not burn up too much gas doing this. These things aren't exactly efficient. Good way to burn off some carbon buildup, though.